So welcome to my YouTube channel once more. I go by the name Mindzone, and in today's video we'll be talking about StudAds and how you can use StudAds to earn money from StudAds, and also you can create your ad code on StudAds. So without wasting much of our time, if you've not liked this channel, go forward and like this channel. You can also share this channel to your friends, your family also, and click the subscribe button that's in front of you there. Now click it and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I'll show you how you can create your account on StudAds, and also how you can create your ad code, and also how you can embed it on your blog, on your website, so that they can place ad on your website, so you can earn from AdSense. You can earn from StudAds here, not AdSense, because AdSense is a high platform, so that generate more incomes than these an alternative for AdSense. And so now you're promoting their product, or so it's just for educational purpose. So if you've not gotten to the eligibility of AdSense account, you can try StudAds also. It help. All you just need to have is just for you to have a minimum of 1,000 viewers here for your impression, and they will pay you on their website. So now if you want to get to this page, you just head over to your Google and click on studad.com. so it will bring you to this page. It will bring you to this page here. So it will bring you to this page like this here. So I already have an account, so and I'm not going to create a duplicate account so that my account will not get banned, and so something like that. So now you can see get website visitors. These ones are for advertisers. Yeah, these ones are for advertisers. If you want to promote your product as an affiliate marketer, you can sign up as an advertiser here. But for us getting income from this, we need to sign up as a publisher. So I'll show you how to sign up. And as you can see, sell ad space are for bloggers, are for websites. And also you can see the steps. You just want to sign up for free, which I'll show you, and then you just copy your HTML code, your Java code, and then the one that they will give you, and also you paste it in any blank space on your website or your blog. And as you can see, we pay 80%. That is the highest in the industry. Yeah, the pay monthly and minimum payout is $10. And as you can see, the ad code ads are keyword targeted based on what you publish on your blog or website. Yeah, so how long let's say you're into health, or let me say entertainment, they will post ads that concerns entertainment, so your visitors are likely to click on that ads, so you earn from it. So now I'll show you how to sign up as a publisher. You just click on this publisher sign up here, and it will bring you to this page here. So all you just need to do is just to use your gmail.com account. They don't accept Hotmail or Outlook. So for you to be eligible and get approved fast and easy, you just have to use your Gmail account. All you just need to do is just to come over to this place and fill in your username, your password, your ad above text, which is this text. You just need to look this text here, and then you look the text carefully, and then you insert it there. So that's just it. And then you come over to this place, and then you fill in your email address, your first name, your last name, your title might be, let me say, your title might be a website or a blog, and your company name might be your brand name, your agency name, or so like that. You just fill it here, fill your phone number, which is compulsory. Yeah, so and then you just click on continue. But for this tutorial purpose, I'm not going to click on continue because I already have an account. So I'll just head back, and then I'll log in to my account. I'll click on login so I can log into my account. Yeah, so I've logged into my account. So this is my dashboard, and I have total of 2,848 impressions. Yeah, so now we are creating the ad code. So you just have to just head over to this spot here, this three dots, and then you click on integrate integration tools here. So I'll just click on integration tools, and then we'll click on web ad code. Yeah, so we'll wait for this to load. So this is the web ad code that I've already created here. So they have the name, the channel, and then the style, and then how it's been updated. So I'll just head over to this place. Let me see. Once you are here, if you've not created any ad code, it will be blank. So I'll just head over, and let me see. I'll disable this, and I'll click on create new ad code. Yeah, so I'll come over to this place and give it a name. I'll just say center home ads. Okay, so and this partner sub ID, I want this ad to run at the sidebar of my website. So I'll just click on sidebar, and I'll give it the scroll. Let me say 25x250. So I will understand my ad with this code I used now. So I'll just head over to the ad size and style. So I already choose this one, the square box, which is 25250. Yeah, so I'll just look at what it will look like in my blog. So I don't need this color. You just pick the color of your blog. So I'll just put this color here. I'll just put this color here, and you've seen that the color has changed. I'll also go over to this point, and I'll click on continue. Yeah, so we'll just wait for it to load, and it will bring us to a space where we will add a filler content URL. I'll show you what to put there, and then you can also add your website link there as a redirecting site also. Yeah, so it will bring you to this page here. So now I'll just put in a filler content URL. So I'll just use my hi.link URL in this place. I'll just put in https let me see // hi link. I'll just use my hi link URL here, and okay, so let's see hi dot link dot me, let's see, slash the name. Yes, that's, I'll use my name, mind zone tv, mind zone tv 20. So once you put in this here, and then you just click on save. So mind you, if you also want me to show you how you can also earn from hi.link, you can just leave that in the comment section. I will guide you through how you can also get your 1,000 views on hi.link easy and fast for AdSense approval, so that you can also start earning cost per click on hi.link.me. Yeah, you can also leave that in the comment section. I will show you, and I'll put you through on that also. So I'll just head over and click on save. So it will bring us to this part: successfully created the ad code. Yeah, so they have a basic version, they has an advanced version. Most time I normally use advanced version because advanced version is kind of broad. You can edit it, you can change the color if you know how to use HTML code very well, and how you can code emails, how you can code files. Yeah, so it's also good. The advanced version is good, and there's a third party version also, but I advise you use the advanced version. All you just need to do is just to come over to this place and click on this box here, and then you just copy this code. You copy the code here. Once you copy your code, and then you just take it to your blog or your website, and then you go to your layout on your blog, and then you add a gadget, and under that gadget you look for html/javascript, and then you embed the code there. That's all. And you give it some time. StudAds will start running ad, they will placing ad on your blog, and every click counts, every view counts, every visitors counts, every impression counts. All you just need to do, just hit that 1000 views, and then you get paid the money which StudAds placed on their website, which is $10 every month. So now this is how to create your ad code on StudAds also. And also, if you want me to show you how you can use ClickBank, because ClickBank is also hand in hand with StudAds also, they work in hand with StudAds. I can also show you that, but just leave that in the comment section here. And if you want me to also help you in any of this video, leave that in the comment section. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video to the end. I still go by the name Mindzone, and if you not like this channel, go forward and like this channel also. Subscribe to this YouTube channel also, and share on your social media platforms, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, so we can create more content, more valuable content like this, so that you can also learn from it and earn from it, and as we show you more about affiliate marketing. Yeah, so thank you so much. Peace out. Bye bye.